I'm Bill Elsey with Showplace Lawns. How to repair dog damage to your lawn. Well, that could be a lot of different things, and in some cases the dogs will create their own path going different places across the yard and have their own basically looking highway system of interchanges and circles and so forth, and that can be really unattractive. They can also perform their biological functions in places around the yard, and that also is not very attractive. So how to repair this damage? Well, the first thing would be to, if it's biological, clean it up, get rid of it. The second that I would do is, if it's a highway system like we had mentioned, I would bring some good topsoil in and fill those areas in, or use a product that's good for lawn leveling would probably be your better bet. A lawn leveling product has sand and compost in a 50-50 mix. Cover the areas with that, come back, throw some topsoil over that lightly, and then thirdly, put some compost over the top of the whole yard. Watering this in through each stage and letting it sit as it goes. These should be ways to really help repair that damage. Another product is the Medina Soil Activator, which would be good to help clean up the biological problem and basically wash the soil out. Aside from that, your only other option would be to start completely over, and you don't want to do that. So that's basically how we can repair the dog damage and keep the dog happy at the same time.